up guys? In today's video, I'm gonna be trying out this Luxe Lash Lift set as well as this Luxe Tint set because I always wear false lashes. I got allergic to it. It literally, I just can't wear false lashes. My eyes came super puffy, so I actually wear eye tape on my eyelids so that it creates a crease because I seem to have lost that when I used my false lashes. And I don't know if it was the glue or whatever, but if I could just do a little lash tint, a little natural eye opener, that would be ideal, especially because I'm a busy working mom. So if you know, you know. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. By the way, if you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome. And if you're not and you're an OG, thank you so much for continuing to watch my videos and support my channel. I love you so much. And yeah, without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started in today's video. There is a whole bunch of things that came in this box. It came with all kinds of little tools and things, and it looks very complicated. I don't get it. You know, do I do the lift first or do I do the tint, or is the tint just an extra gift? I don't even remember what I really ordered, except that I wanted to do this lash lift. First things first is I have to clean my eyelashes. I don't know, can y'all see? So I'm gonna use rubbing alcohol to clean my lashes to make sure there's no gunk or anything excess on there. I forgot I put some of my skincare and sunscreen on, so it might have gotten on my lashes. So let me just make sure I clean my lashes first. So I just got some regular generic 3% hydrogen peroxide. And I have a little Q-tip. So I'm just gonna put it on my lashes. The lack thereof lashes. Ah, it's got in my eyes, of course, because you're Judo brain. It did say daily moisture cleanser. It didn't say rubbing alcohol, but you know, I always like to take it up a notch. Step 1 done. Step 2, I'm gonna get a pea-sized amount of the tint and oxidant gel. I am supposed to put the lash pads on first before I clean my eyes, which does make sense to me, and it came with them. The eyelash and eyebrow tint, as well as in black, and the oxidant gel, 1 centimeter each. I'm gonna put everything on this mirror and then mix it on the mirror because it seems like easier to clean. 1 centimeter, so 1 centimeter of the eyelash and eyebrow tint in black, which is weird because it's like a poopy color. Oxidant gel. Wow, this is very interesting. 1 centimeter each. Mix that up. These are all the applications. Look at that. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and mix it all up. So guys, I don't know if you can really see the lashes. Okay, now they're kind of burning a little bit. I shouldn't have done my lower lash. I don't know why, I just can't stick with the program. Now my eyes are very much so burning. Okay guys, I'm sorry. I'm going to keep my eyes closed and I'm going to keep and endure this pain because it is so painful. I have no idea where the camera is, but I'm going to leave this on for 10 minutes and then when I come back, I'm going to wash them off. Let's just get into the lash lift part. Guys, I am so sorry to report, but I couldn't keep these things on for 10 minutes and save my life. I'm sorry, that thing was burning. But I don't know if you can see. It's a little bit, it's more bold. Let's get into the exciting part. Like I said, that thing just woke me up because ouch. I feel like I'm not giving a good review. It's not fair to Luxe that I can't read instructions carefully. And honestly guys, I'm just making fun. There is a lot of stuff and it's intimidating, but it's really not that hard at all. I think they tried to spell it out. All right, so I'm over that tinting part. You can also tint the eyebrows, but my eyebrows are permanent eyebrows. I gotta get it redone. Fun story. I went to get my nails done, or I go to this nail shop. I was made a mockery, like the lady. I don't know if she was trying to sell me her permanent makeup service for eyebrows, but again, my pedicure done, thinking, oh, this is great. I can finally relax, I can unwind, I can make use of that massage chair. And instead, I was being ridiculed by the nail technician talking about how bad my eyebrows are, who did my eyebrows, how she could do it better. She actually brought over other technicians to all look at my eyebrows. So that was fun. I don't get offended. Initially, I was like irritated just because I had to communicate and I really like my silence sometimes and I'm not always so talkative because it's my relaxed time. So I just really didn't want to talk to people and I just wanted to relax in the massage chair and just zone out. I was more mad at the fact that I had to conversate and show that I was showing interest in the fact that they were teasing my eyebrows. And that made me more upset than the actual brunt of the joke that my eyebrows were bad. I could care less what they think. Say less, woman. I agree. Yeah, I don't feel like tinting my eyebrows. Let's get on to the thing that I'm excited about, which is the lash lift, because like I said, I don't even wear mascara. I look like a bird that's a bird and their eyelashes, very sparse, nothing there. Let's go ahead and get into the fun part, which is the eyelash lift. So as you can see, I have no lift. So there's different silicone pads in each kit. Girl, I'm gonna go all the way. I need to get dramatic because my dramatic would still probably be a very slight curl. I'm gonna go with the S, intense, because this girl is intense and it matches my personality. And then I'm gonna stick it on firmly as close as I can get to my lash line for 30 seconds. That will ensure that it stays in place when I'm curling my lashes. Get this lash glue. I feel like the glue has already dried. Oh, it does say for stubborn lashes to use more glue. Especially the little ones. Permanent lotion 1. Okay, so it said to put some saran wrap on. I don't know if y'all can see this, but it literally helps hold them up, so it's like perming it right now. I have to leave this on for about 15 minutes. I'll come back in 15 minutes and show you guys. The timer is gonna go off in a little bit, so number 2, we have the Fix lotion. So it came with 3 of them. So I'm assuming I can have at least 3 applications. To take off the saran wrap. It says to remove all the excess stuffers. I'm gonna add some Fix lotion. This is the step 2. Good thing there's numbers on here, number 2. And I'm gonna put some of this lotion on. It's blue, so that's great. Color coded, okay. Leave the Fix lotion on for 10 to 12 minutes. So as you can see, guys, this is a process, but hopefully the results will outweigh the cost too. I don't know how much a lift perm cost, but I'm sure it's kind of time consuming. If it costs $30 or so, I don't know, maybe it's easier to just get it done. But I do like the idea I can get it done in the comfort of my own home as well as on my own time. I used to enjoy getting my nails filled, but because now it's something that I almost have to do for work because it's just I'm always with my hands. I can't have broken nail polishes and stuff like that. So now that I always get my nails filled for the last few months, it becomes more of a, I guess you just don't appreciate it as much. It's more of a chore. So I got my timer on, 15 minutes, and we'll go from there. And when I come back, I will show you guys the results, and I want to do the other eye, of course, so I'll give you guys my final results. I don't know. I'm back for the millionth time. This looks crazy. I'm just excited. They're saying now I can tint my eyelashes. Girl, this looks brown, dude. Is it? No wonder they want me to tint it. It looks brown because I hope that the natural color of my lashes didn't strip. I'm gonna be pissed. I'm gonna grab the other one because I'm a professional now because I did it once, so I know everything. You can ask me every question and I will give you the answers. I'm gonna put this on my eyeball. I'm gonna get the lash glue. Put the lash glue on. It has the lash comb tool. So it also comes with a moisturizing lotion, which makes sense because it's the Nourish lotion here, step 3. And I'm just gonna comb my lashes through. This is looking so cool. This is pretty cool. This is worth it. Which I thought it would be, but once you get the hang of it, it's easy to use. So I'm gonna show you that. All right, so that's how the lash looks in natural daylight. So that looks really great. I think that's 100% improvement. It's actually kind of better than expected. Obviously, I still have some tint residue and some other residue, so it's making it look like I have probably mascara on. It'll settle down, I'm sure, in a couple of days. All right, guys. Wow, what a difference. This was about $60 and you get for all of that and you get 3 applications, completely worth it. And this is when you just need a quick little, last minute lift. I'm gonna store these away for when I need to use it next time, but I just, again, think it's super worth it, and this might be my new thing until my eyelashes maybe fall out, because I'm sure it's not good to... Oh, I forgot the lotion. All right, I'm just gonna take these off, put some of this nourishing lotion on, put them on my lashes, get these babies moisturized. This is the Bright Natural Daylight. This is my lashes. Okay, I don't know, I hope you guys can see it. 100% improvement. I don't know how long they're gonna last, so I hope for at least a couple of weeks. That was definitely time consuming, given that that was my first time, so I'm sure I'll get faster, but it's still a bit time consuming with all the different steps. But I mean, I just love the fact that they had thought everything through, and they were able to make sure that I had the easiest time doing the application. So I'm just gonna end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, let me know. I'm not promoting the brand or anything like that, but I just thought you guys might be interested. And so I'd like to share that. If you like more videos like this, me trying out new products, beauty products and things like that, don't forget to subscribe. And I will see all my OGs, and I'll see you new dolls in hopefully my next video. Bye, dolls.
I wish I had the same delusion that I do when I was 2 and didn't think that I could ruin anything at all. I could never fall. I wish I saw what she saw.